Welcome aboard the Starcraft SVX 231 Outboard, a premium 23-foot deck boat with serious power, sleek style, and room to bring the whole crew. The bold exterior design sets the tone right away. Modern lines, premium trim, and a wide stance that means business on the water. Up front, the bow lounge features wraparound seating and a boarding ladder, making sandbar stops or beach landings effortless. Overhead, a Bimini top gives you instant shade when the sun hits midday. As you move aft toward the cockpit, the layout opens up with comfortable midship seating and smart space for entertaining or relaxing. At the helm, you'll find a clean, functional dash with your controls and everything within reach, ready for smooth cruising or high-speed fun. On the port side, there's a built-in sink, Fender storage, and a small secure glove box style compartment, perfect for stashing keys, wallets, or phones. Just forward of the helm, you'll find a full enclosed head. Sound? Covered. The JL audio speaker system delivers crisp, clean sound whether you're underway or anchored out. In the back, the massive swim platform stretches across the stern with extra seating built in and in-floor storage for lines, fenders, or gear. And powering it all, a Yamaha 300 horsepower outboard. This setup delivers serious performance, smooth handling, and all the torque you'll ever need for towing, cruising, or wide open throttle runs. This SVX 231 is available now at Nautical Ventures. Stop by the showroom or visit nauticalventures.com to schedule a private tour. Nautical Ventures, your go-to people for fun on the water.